Okay, we'll start our class today. Okay, so first we'll go through the topic what we have covered last week. Can anyone explain what we have learned
We
last
have
week?
learned
We
we
have
have
learned
learned
that
we have learned
machine.
what is a robot, what is a machine, and types of machines which are there in our life now.
Automatic driving car.
Yes, like the
Fully.
introduction about machines and robots, right? The introduction and the
Yes, sir.
difference between the machines and the robots, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And also we have discussed with the last that we are going to use some website with the name Tinkercad. Okay, and I
Yes,
think
sir.
I have shown you the pictures like how it will be operating, and
Sir.
most of the people have been tried that one, I think.
Sir.
Like they have
Sir.
opened by
Yes, sir. I
themselves.
tried, sir. I built their house also. Sir, now
Okay,
we should open the website,
I
sir.
didn't write, sir.
yeah, now no need. Just I'll explain. I have to explain few more things in that one. So after this class, or else I'll give you some time. Then you can try that one. If you have some doubts, you can mention that one at the time. Okay. So for now, don't take any don't open any websites for now. Just listen what I'm telling. Okay. Can you hear my voice? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be starting the class now.
Sir, someone Rocky Gaming it seems.
No problem. If there is
Like bold
what will be
viper,
confused.
I kept my bold viper no. Like that, many one say, other
Sir,
people.
he's Arya, sir. He's Arya.
Okay. Okay. Just it's okay. I didn't mention like you have to maintain your own names, right? See, if you are using different names also, like everyone are not using their own names with their father's name or else with their mother's name they have entered, right? That's not a
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Okay, so we'll start the class today. So the topic which we are going to be learned using the Tinkercad website, I will be going through everything. Okay, so what is a Tinkercad and why we will be using that one? So I'll explain it clearly. Okay, so this Tinkercad is a website which can be used in a lot of ways. Like it has mainly three things. Okay, the first one is online 3D designs. Okay, you know what is 3D design? Anyone? Just tell me in one or
3D
two points.
model. 3D
3D
model.
means which is like a real one, which has mass.
Okay, so I'll make it simpler. 2D and
Like
3D.
a
There is a
cube.
difference between 2D and 3D. Okay.
Sir, in 2D there are only two dimensions, length and breadth. But in 3D there are
Yes.
three dimensions, length, breadth, and height. So 3D designs means the designs which are length, breadth, and height. 2D designs means the designs which are only length and breadth.
Yeah. What Ananta said is perfectly correct. So 3D means three-dimensional thing which can be easily seen in 360 degrees. Okay. So two-dimensional means you can see only the length and breadth. We can't length and height we can see, but we can't see the breadth. Okay. So how much it's going to be like you can see the difference between 2D movies and 3D movies also. If you are watching a 3D movie, you can feel them like outside of the screen. There will be a background blur and there will be some effects. Okay, you can see what like if someone is standing in front, you can see them outside of the screen. Like if you are using a 3D movie, like if you are seeing a 3D movie, you can feel the difference, right? In the same way, if you want to design a car or else any house in such a way, you can use this 3D design option in the Tinkercad so that for using that one, you can design whatever you want. Like if there is a square shape, if there is a square shape, can you just join that one? Like just take an example, take a pen and a pen paper and draw a square shape. How it will be looking like?
Normal plain square.
Yeah, just plain square. Like you can't rotate that one and see, right? Is it a square or else backside it contains any different shape? We can't tell that one. But using this 3D design option in the Tinkercad, we can design our own shape using like a 3D shapes. Okay, so I'll just show you what it will be looking like. This is the Tinkercad website, which has been developed by Autodesk. Okay, so in this one, mainly we will be having three options here. The first one is, can you see my mouse pointer where it is pointing?
Yes, sir.
This one's
Yes, sir.
3D design. Okay, first we will be going to discuss about this one. We will not be using this one, but we have to discuss what are the things are being used in this one. So that's why I'll just show this one how it will be. Okay, here you can see this one. Like there is an option like place it. There will be a flat platform downside. If you place anything in that one, you can just open that one. Okay,
Sir means we can create our own.
you can create your own shapes. Like if you want to create a
No,
3D
sir means
design of
our
your
own
house,
account for it, for
yeah, you
using
can
it.
use your own accounts. Like there have to be one
No
account
need of any
in that
class,
one.
sir.
What did you say?
Means
I didn't get you.
no, sir means it is showing that classes also, no, sir. So no need of that.
No need of that. That one is different. Like if you someone is teaching, then you have to join the class. Just like this Meet app only. If
Yes,
I
sir.
am starting the class, then you have to join the class, right?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, I can start the class in this one, and you can join in this one. Okay. Just take an example of this one. You can see here. Here's the work plane, and there will be a flat surface downside. So you can just see this one. To the right side, a square will be looking like this, a box shape, and this one will be looking like in front. So you can see that one, like the shape and everything will be also changing. This one's the left side, and if I go upside, see this one will be looking like this. So I can operate it in any way. Like I can use cylinder also. I can place a cylinder here, and I can set the colors, and it has to be like whole or else whatever the things we can adjust here. If you
Sir,
want to
I do
design
tried
a
same
house,
thing, sir.
yeah, okay. So if you want to design a house or something, you can easily use this website, okay, for designing that one. Mainly, most of the people who like wants to design any home or else any car or else any 3D design they have to make, they can use this one. And anyone know how the 3D printer will be working and what is a 3D printer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell me what is a 3D printer and how it will be working.
If we do any design or if you need any part, we can print from the 3D printer.
Yeah,
We
whatever
need,
you are going to design here, like just take an example of the cylinder. It's just a basic thing, like by default it's there. But if you have designed your own thing, like own design, then you can print this one using a 3D printer. Okay, and how a 3D printer will be, and how it will be working.
it will
I don't.
be just like a print. I know, sir. Uh,
Okay, I'll show you a video how it will be working. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, did all the members present?
I don't think so. Like only 16 members have been presented.
Once see the list, sir. If anyone were left, I'll talk with them.
Sir, 23 members total they are there in group, but only
Okay, okay, we'll see that, right?
10 minutes.
The first step
Just see this
is
video
to
now.
make the digital
So like he's designing aspects. Okay. Like example, I have shown you how a cylinder have to design, right? In the same way, he have designed that one, and this 3D printer will be like you know how a hot gun will be, hot glue gun,
Yes, sir.
just like the same
Yes, sir.
plastic thing
Yes, sir.
plastic use, they
Yes,
will be
sir.
using that one, and it will be melting that one and making it into shape whatever you have designed. See how it's going to work here.
Okay.
So there it's designing effects. Okay. So if you have this 3D printer, you can use that website and you can try on your own whatever the designs you have in your idea. You can make them. This one will be just like a printer only. Half a printer will be working in the same way, but at that place, a printer will use ink. Here, it's using a plastic roll for that one. Okay, that's a 3D printer, and how we can use the 3D designs means we can use it in that way for designing something and for making 3D printer use. Okay, so and the next one is circuiting, like Arduino circuiting or else any simple circuits. Like if you have connected a battery to the LED light, what will happen? The light will blink. If you have connected a switch in the between the battery and a light, what will happen? If you on the switch, then only the light will be working, right? So this is also there in this one, in this Tinkercad. And also the next one is this block code. Block code means I think you have already known what is block code. Everyone have used Scratch software, right? Everyone have some idea
Yes, sir.
to use the Scratch software, like what are the things in the Scratch software. Everyone knows, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, so the
Yes,
same
sir.
Yes, sir.
thing, the same thing can be done in this one also. Okay, we have three things in this one, like 3D design we can make, or else circuiting, like Arduino circuiting, or else simple circuiting we can make, or else directly block code also we can make. Okay, we'll just go to the one of this one. Okay, create new design. So see here, what are the options we have here? The first one is 3D designs that we have already learned, right? The second one is circuits. Like using this one, we can make, I have already told you, right? Audio circuits we can make or else simple circuits we can make. And the next one is code blocks. So I will go to the circuits and I'll just show you what are the things we have. See here, like circuits using Arduino boards or else any other components.
Arduino, sir.
Yeah, Arduino. Without Arduino also there are some projects like for the basic people, like we'll start from the basic only. We'll not go directly to Arduino. We'll start from the simple circuiting and then we'll go to the Arduino. Okay. And the next one
Okay,
is
sir.
code blocks. Just like Scratch software and drag and drop tool, like Mindstorm CV3 you have used, right?
Yes, sir.
This
Lego.
one way, this one will be also there. Now you can see this one. Okay, see here, like using this shapes, whatever it has to. Actually, in Scratch or else in Mindstorm GV3, what is the case? there will be a physical model. Like you have to make some models, right?
Yes, sir.
After making the model, you can use this software and you can make that one to work. But in this virtual software, you can't do anything to the physical one. So that's why you have to select one of these shapes. Okay, you can make your own shapes also. For now, I'll select this box. Okay, I'll drag this one and I'll keep it here. To see here, like add a box into this. How it will be, like the left side will be having these options. Okay, here you have to make code, this blank place where this all the thing is there. You have to make the programming here. Okay, and the result you can see it here, just like Scratch software. Okay, see here, like modify. You can if you want to create a new project, you can use this option. Like if you want to copy any object from the other program, you can do it using this one. And in control, see here, repeat means loop options is there,
Loop.
count option is there, pause option is there. Pause means wait for, like we will give some time for happen, right? The same way. And here we have math blocks, like x-axis, y-axis, and variables changing, and the degrees. These are all the things. And the next one is data and markup. Data and markup are just nothing but it's an extra things. If you want to program like variables, right? If you want to create your own task, you can use that markup and data for creating that one.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so now we'll go to this one.
Sir, what is markup?
Markup means, yeah, I'll show you that one. It's not coming now. Okay, like if you have designed here something, okay, you have designed here something, you want to create your own variable, like that variable, that design have to work something, like it has to say something, or else we don't have the options here, like it has to say something or else it has to detect something. It is not a variable here. Okay, so you can create this variable here using this data and markup, and you can use this data and markup saved into this list, and you can use the same data and markup in the next program also. It's not the case in EV3 or Scratch. If you are designing a program in one block, you can save that one, but you can't copy the same thing, or else you can't copy the same file into the next file. Okay, but here we can save that one into data or else markup, and then we can shift that one into the next program, or else whenever you want, if you have created your own web, like if you have created your own with Gmail, then you can use this one, and you can do whatever you want, like wherever if you go, this data and markup will be saved into their own data. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's one we will discuss in detail when we are going to learn that one. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
here
Yes, sir.
going to learn mainly the circuiting. Okay, how the circuits will be working and what are the currents, like what are the things we are going to use in this electronics. Okay, so I'll just tell you the simple things you have to know while you are doing program, or else what are the things you need for learning Arduino. Okay, so the first one is resistor. Can anyone tell what is a resistor?
Like a motherboard.
Like a miracle.
No.
A resistor is not a motherboard.
Sir,
Sir,
it
EV3
conducts
brick,
like
like a
voltage.
brick EV3 brick, like.
Wait,
Teacher,
sir.
sir, it decreases the electricity. Means so much electricity will come to the motherboard. Means it'll
Yes,
it'll
sir.
be on
Sir, it
fire.
will
So
manage the voltage.
it
Sir.
Okay,
decreases
If there is
the
high
okay.
voltage, it will
Anurag,
reduce it and send the needed voltage.
yes, sir.
yes, that's the correct thing. Resistor E will reduce the electricity flow. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
can't just put everything into the power plug, and you can't take, like if you want to charge a mobile phone, how you will charge? You can't directly put the plug into the plug point and you will not charge, right? You will use the adapter in between. Why we will use adapter?
Sir, that is to convert the AC current to DC current.
Yes, for changing AC into DC and also reducing the power also. You can see that one, like 5 volts 2 amps or else 9 volts 2 amps. Like it will produce only that electricity from the adapter to the wire. Okay, it will not produce more energy and it will not push more energy from the adapter to the wire. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and what is an AC current and DC current? Can anyone tell?
So AC current means alternating current. DC current means direct current. Direct current is less powerful than alternating current, and
Mhm.
we can get more, means most of things, mean
Most of the big
electricity is
things
of
like
two types, are
electron. Yeah.
alternating current and direct current, sir. Alternating
Okay.
current was like
Alternating
it can
current means,
supply more,
yeah,
it
I
can
will
power
tell.
more items than DC.
Yes, alternating current and direct current. With the names, we will think like alternating current means less powerful and direct current means more powerful. It's not the case. Alternating current will be more powerful. Okay, that's why we will be having positive and negative terminals in everything. Like in the plug point, also you can see one will be the positive and another one will be the negative. Okay, one will
Okay, okay.
give the energy and another one will take the energy. Like just take an example of a charger only. One will take the energy and this one will convert it into the DC and it will charge the mobile. At the same time, whatever the electricity it doesn't want, like if the electricity is enough for that one for charging mobile, the remaining electricity will be pushed out through the negative terminal. Okay, everyone got that one?
Yes,
Like what
sir.
is positive and
Yes,
negative.
sir.
So one will be taking the electricity and how much it needs, it will take that one, and the remaining electricity will be pushed back to the source using the negative terminal. Okay, in the batteries and everything, also the same thing will be happening. How much power, like how much DC current it needs, it will take that much only, and it will not take the more energy, and it will not burst that one. Okay, it will take how much energy it needs and the remaining energy will be flowed out through the negative terminal. Okay, so just read out the names. First one is resistor, second one is LED. So
LED.
I'll go through everything clearly, so we just learn what are the things. Okay, the third one is push button, fourth one is potentiometer. Okay, so if every like anyone is maintaining notes, or else if you can maintain, just take a rough note or else any paper now, so that you can note these points, like why we will be using a resistor, LED, push button separately. Okay, so I'll just give you 1 minute. If you can get your notebooks, please get them so that it will be easy for you to noting it down and remembering. Okay, so potentiometer,
Sir, one
capacitor.
minute.
Yes, you can note down. I'm just telling, read out the names, reading out the names. Capacitors, slide switches, batteries, resistors, photoresistors, transistors, vibration motor, DC motors, and there are different types of motors also. We will be discussing about that one also in this class. Okay. And at last, Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. Just note down these names, or else you can take a screenshot also if you want. It will be more easy for you.
Yes, sir, taking screenshot only.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Is it done, everyone? Can I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm moving to the next slide now. So the resistor, I'll just read out the thing what I have presented there. Okay, resistor is an electric component that reduces the electric current. The resistor's ability to reduce the current is called resistance. Okay, and it is measured in the units of ohms. And the ohms symbol is, you can see to the right side, it's there. Okay, ohm is a word which will be like the electricity measured in units, that like we will measure water in liters and milliliters, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
the same way, the electricity will be measured in ohms and in different names also. And that ohm symbol is that one. So to the right side here, you can see that one. Okay, that is the symbol of ohm. Okay, so what is
Okay,
a
sir.
resistor is doing? A resistor
It
is
is
reducing
reducing
the
the
current,
electric current.
reducing the current. Okay, and that process is called, and what, like how it's reducing, that process is called resistance. It's resistance in the current. We'll tell like that. Okay, we'll speak out the words like that. And left side you can see that image. A resistor will be looking like that, and there will be a lot of color shades also in this one. It will be like 2 ohms, 3 ohms. It depends on the one we will be like using in that one. Like nowadays, you can see fast charger or else super fast charger or else different types of charger you are getting, right? How it will be
Yes, sir.
charging inside the components will be different. So there will be using different types of resistors and capacitors for increasing the flow of current. Okay. Previously, the basic charging capacity was like 5 volts at 2 amps. Okay. That will be generating 10 ohms of electricity. 10 ohms. Okay, but now the 10 ohms have become like 30, 40, 60, and at last I think 60 is a new one. Like in Oppo phones we have got that one, like 60-watt charging. Okay, that is fastest charging. So it has to be supported by the mobile phones also. Without the support of mobile phones, if you charge the uh, mobiles that much fastly, the battery may die. Okay, the battery will be having some like life for that one. You have to charge it slowly and you have to use it carefully. Everything can be replaced, or else, if you take any electronic device, most of the parts where we will be getting damaged is the battery only will be getting damaged. If you are not using any electronic device and keep it aside, there will be no problems. Only you will be facing the problems in the batteries or its power supply ports only. Okay, if the electronic device is containing battery, that one will not last a years. Okay,
Okay,
everything
sir.
can be used without replacing, but battery have to be replaced. If it has the problem, it has to be replaced, or else the whole components can be burnt inside. Okay, the next one is LED. What is the full form of that one? What is the abbreviation of that one? Means
Light emitting
light
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 diode.
emitting
emitting diode.
diode. Okay,
Light
light emitting
emitting diode.
diode. Yeah, light emitting diode. So it will be like in different colors. Why it will be like different colors means, basing on the outer shell of that one, the inside filament will be glowing in the same color. See, the same one will be glowing in this many colors. How means the outer shell will be in different colors. Okay, that's why it will be glowing in different colors. And you can see the terminals. These are the terminals, positive terminal and the negative terminal. Okay, how we can tell the difference between positive and negative means, see the positive terminal is
Length.
tall. Yeah,
Positive
it
terminal
contains
stall.
positive terminal
Positive
have
terminal.
length more than negative terminal. See the size. Both the size are not same. Okay. The positive terminal have lengthy terminal, and the negative one will be having less terminal, like small terminal. You can see for every light the same issue. For the positive terminal, it will be more, and the negative terminal, the wire will be less. Okay. Basing on that one, we can tell this one is the positive terminal and this one will be the negative terminal. There will be no difference if you are connecting that one to a battery, but it will last long. Like if you have placed negative terminal in the positive and positive terminal in the negative, there will be no problem. It will be glowing. But what will be happening means the filament will be more like it will become more heat, and there's a chances of uh, damaging also. That's why it's better to use the positive terminal to the positive and negative terminal to the negative. Okay. Mainly, if you are connecting this one to the battery, there will be no problem. But if you are connecting this one to any Arduino circuiting or anything, then you have to surely check the positive and negative things. Okay, you have to learn what is the positive and what is the negative, which one's the positive, which one's the negative. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we'll go to the next one. Push button. This one's the push button. Like I think everyone have seen in their real lives also, like this one as an example. It will be
Yes,
to
sir.
the electronic bat for killing mosquitoes, the same type of button it will be containing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so just this one's an example like touch sensor. We have a touch sensor, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm having, sir. Here it is.
Okay, that's not a problem. Yeah, the same one. See, Ananta is showing something.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'll stop presenting, then he can show. Can anyone see how what is Ananta showing?
Yes,
No,
sir.
That
sir.
is the push
Yes,
I
button.
sir.
can see, sir. I can see, sir.
Okay, yeah, the same thing.
No, sir.
Here, okay, I'm showing the image, right? You can see from the image.
Okay, sir.
This one's the push button. Yeah, this one's the push button. Okay, and we'll read out this one. The push button, also spelled push button or simply button, is a simple switch mechanism to control some aspect of a machine or a process. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Just take an example of this electronic bat for killing mosquitoes. If you press the button, then only the electricity passing through the net, and you can kill some mosquitoes. Without pressing that one, you can't do that one, right? The same way, if you have any electronic device which will be used in kitchens, like coffee mixer or else something like that, it will be also containing the same button. Okay, that one we can use like for onning and offing, the circuiting, whatever the it's
Sir,
generating, like just like a switch, we can use that one. Yeah, Arya, tell me.
this one also push button only, sir.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah,
That
we
blue
have.
color.
Yes, yes. Here Arya is showing. Just you can check his screen. What he's showing. That one is also a push button, but it's a big size. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for some kind of buzzers or else, in some cases
Sir,
they will be using that one. But
that
that is
means
also working like.
sir, this button we'll use in Arduino, no, sir.
Yes, this big one. The small one we can also use in Arduino, and the big one can also be used in Arduino, basing
Sir,
on
this
our
one
need.
has LED lights also, sir, at the
Okay,
edges.
yeah, okay. So it will be like glowing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you want to make a model like push button have to be highlighted. Like it has to be highlighted means
Sir, in
you
Google
can
Home,
use
I
that
can
one.
this one, sir.
Yeah, on the day you have made like Alexa you have made, right?
Yes, sir.
Google Home.
Yes, sir.
That yeah, he used the same thing. Like in that one, in Go like Google Home he made, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
that one, mainly a push button is needed. That's why we can use that much of big size of push button. If the push button's character is very less, then you can use this small one only. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. That is potentiometer. And potentiometer means it's just nothing but you can take this one as an example of fan regulator. What a fan regulator will do? Can anyone answer? Fan regulator, what it will do?
Sir, it controls the speed.
It controls the speed
Controls the
of the fan,
speed.
sir.
Speed
Yeah,
of
it
the fan.
controls the speed of the fan. That which we have used the fan regulator to the fan. If you use the same regulator to the light, what will happen?
We will not use.
We can dim the light and we can
Yes,
increase the light.
yeah, we can do the same, like increase the light or else decrease the light. The regulator will do nothing. It will just regulate the flow of electricity. Okay, it will reduce the flow of electricity in one in the number one, like we will be having 5 stages in the regulator, right? It depends on different types of regulators. In my home's regulator, it contains 5 stages. In number one, it will be rotating slowly. In number two, the speed will be increasing. In the same way, if I connect this regulator to any bulb or else light, what will happen means the flow of like the glowing of light will be increasing from stage 1 to stage 5. Okay, without the regulator, the light will be glowing on its like full power. With the regulator, the power can be regulated. Okay, so the electricity flow can be decreasing using this potentiometers. There are different types of potentiometers also. Like here you can see the blue one. It's very small one at its cost very less. If anyone is trying using audio board in their home, this one's the basic one. Okay, and there are different types of regulators also here. Different types of potentiometers. Okay, and the next one is slide switch. I think everyone knows what is slide switch. By seeing that image only,
Yes,
you
sir.
can easily
Yes, sir.
remember
Yes,
that.
sir.
Slide switch you can see in many examples. Just can anyone tell what is an like where we can see this one?
Sir, in remote control cars.
Yeah, in remote control cars for owning and offing.
Sir, for speakers.
Yeah, for
Sir,
speakers
for
also you
slide.
can.
Because
So it's
For
just nothing but
mechanical switches.
yeah, mechanical switches. It's a part of switch. Like it's a different type of switch. A push button can be also used as a switch. Okay, so there are different types of switches. In that one, this one's the character as slide switch because the character of this one is like owning and offing will be sliding, right? The switches which we are going to use in our home will be like owning and offing only, but it is in different manner, not sliding, right? Owning and offing
Yes,
will be
sir.
in our homes what we are going to use, and this one's a slide switch. And the next one is capacitor. Can anyone tell what is a capacitor?
It's a device which
Sir, it will be for motors.
is a
It will be
motor.
B for motors, but I'm asking what is the use of capacitor.
It will control the energy.
It will control the energy.
Okay, we have learned what is a resistor, right? What it will do? It will regulate the energy, right? It will decrease the flow of electricity. Here also, they will be using this one for the same, but what it will do means it will store some electricity, like only passive electronics, like only positive will only be passing through the one terminal to the another terminal. Okay, that's why we will be using this one in the motors. Okay, why we can't use resistors in between? We can use resistors also, but the thing is if the electricity flow is more, the resistor may burn easily. A resistor can damage easily, but a capacitor, it can't damage easily as resistor. Okay, it will take some
Okay,
time.
sir.
It can store some energy and it will be also working as a resistor only, but this one is good compared to the resistors. Okay, the capacitor can work more effectively compared to the resistors. Okay,
Okay, sir.
the next one is photoresistor, and this one's a photoresistor, and that one's description is downside. Okay, so I think using this photoresistor, Princey, she made a project on the last day of our school, right?
Street light controlling.
Yeah, street light controller. On that exhibition, that is the last day for us. We didn't think that that will be the last day. And on the last day, we have conducted exhibition. After that, we got holidays for 3 months. And it's going to be continued, I think, at least for 2 months, right?
No, sir. Even whole year also we should not care.
August
What?
or Jan.
Sir,
If
I'm
not
having it.
even if they keep whole year all the sir. Because
Holidays
it's
Sir,
also?
not
they're
clear, sir.
saying, sir, they're saying that November or October, sir.
Yeah, because the medicine has been always released. There's a chance of starting the schools little earlier, like August or October, November. These are the 3 months. We have to see like how much time it's taking for that vaccine to work, right? So it will take some time. It's better to do in online only, but the problem is all the schools can't conduct in online, right? Like normal schools, they can't afford a mobile phone or a laptop also. So that's the problem. Here also we have the same problem in our school also. That's why most of the parents have told, sir, our children doesn't have laptop or mobile phone, so we are not attending them to normal classes only. How can they attend the robotics? Those are the reasons for them. Okay, we'll see. So
Sir, I'm
photoresistor,
having the battery, sir. 1 minute, I'm showing.
battery, everybody will be having in their homes. No need to show that one, okay? And we have a
This is
different
a
types of
big battery, sir.
batteries here. See, six types we have. This one's the mobile phone battery, or else we can use that one for any other things also. This one's the power bank batteries. This one's the motorbike's battery. This one's the watch battery, and this one is just rechargeable only lithium batteries. And these are different types of like AA, AAA batteries, right?
Sir, I'm having motorbike battery.
Okay, keep it with yourself only. Don't give it to me, okay? So we'll go to the topic. Photoresistor. We can call it as LDR also. And what is the LDR? Can anyone tell what is the full form of LDR?
Sir, light decreasing resistance.
Light dependent resistor. Actually, it is okay.
Light
Light dependent resistor.
dependent. Okay, sir.
Like this resistor will be depending on light only. Depending on that light only, it will take the values and it can like decrease the flow of electricity. Like just take the word photo separately. And what is the word we have remained there? Resistor, right?
Resistance.
What a resistor will do, we have already discussed that one. A resistor will regulate the flow of electricity, right? Here also the same thing, like using the light, it will decrease the flow of electricity. I think Princey can explain this one easily. Is she is there? Yeah, I think she's there. I'm expecting the explanation from Princey. Is she is there?
Yes, sir, she's there.
But why can't she unmute herself? Only 13 members.
Suresh Kumar Nimmagadda hearts only, sir.
I can't unmute you. You can't unmute yourself. If this is the case, only 2 or 3 are answering for everything. It's not good, right? Okay. So photoresistor, it will depend on the light. Okay. So it will like regulate the electricity flow of electricity. So the next one is battery. I think everyone knows what is a battery, right? It will be a source of electricity which can be stored in a small device and can be carried anywhere, right? Electricity we can't carry anywhere we want, but a battery we can, right? We can store the electricity in the batteries and we can carry wherever we want. Okay, so here we have 6 types of batteries in different cases, wherever it wants and whatever the capacity it wants, we can use that one. The next one is transistor. So about this transistor, you have to learn a few things. So I'll explain using this picture only. There is a example of transistor. Okay, the transistor will be looking in that way. So you can see here. See here. One is P, the middle one is N, and the next one is P. Okay. Can anyone tell what is P, N, and P? Like names of P and N, and next one is P. Can anyone tell?
Positive,
Proton,
negative.
neutron, electron, neutron, proton, neutron. Proton, neutron, proton. Something like that. Maybe.
Actually, it's negative, positive, negative, or else positive, negative, positive.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the left one is emitter. What is emitter means? Can anyone tell what is emitter means? Like you can see this one. While they are giving a power supply to the house, what they will do? They will not give only 2 wires. And in the plug point also you can see one positive, one negative, and in the middle upside will be having something like round shape,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
Why
sir.
they will be using that one? That is
For controlling.
yeah, that is for the earth. Without that one, there is a chance of misplacing the electricity. Like if you give electricity to any CPU. Yeah, this problem we have faced in our robotics lab, right? For the
Yes,
first
sir.
time, when they have given this
Earthing
one,
problem.
yeah, without giving earthing, what was there? Like if we are touching the CPUs, we were
Shock, like
getting
one
shock.
type of shock we are getting.
Yeah, we were getting some shock, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. The one they have to give earthing. So in the small circuits, we can't give earth, right? That's why we will be using this transistor. Okay. So emitter means you can tell us the generator. Okay, emitter means the generator or else the first point where the electricity will be starting, and the base will be like it will be given to the earth or else ground, we will call it as. So if there is any unwanted electricity flowing through the collector also, it will be taking to the base and it will neutralize that one. Okay, see here, this is a circuit E, C and B. Emitter, E means emitter, C means collector, and B means base. Okay,
Base.
so the electricity will be flowing directly from the emitter to the base. Okay, and how much the collector needs, how much the collector point needs, it will flow to that one, and the remaining electricity will not misplace. Okay, it will directly go to the ground. So we will not get any unwanted shocks or else any unwanted electricity flows. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
after this one have been settled, the problem which we have faced in our robotics lab has been cleared. Okay, without this one,
Yes,
like
sir.
without this earthing or else without the ground point, there will be misplacement of electricity, and we'll be getting some shocks unwantedly everywhere.
When, sir, in robotics lab, when we test the CPU, then it got shocked.
Yeah, the same problem I'm telling. Without the base, the same problem we will be facing. That's why the electronic devices which contains which have to be taken more electricity, like CPUs or else monitors or else fridge, grinders, washing machines. These all the things will be containing three
Yes, sir.
pin port. Three pin port will be there. But TVs nowadays it's getting three pin port, but actually it will be based on two pin only. Okay, small devices like charger or else any small fan, table fan, this kind of things, they will be not having three pin port. There will be only two pin, like negative and positive terminals. There will be not no three pin port. Everyone knows what is three pin port and two pin port, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think this one's robotics class, not maths class. Someone is teaching maths to someone. So we'll read out this one. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals. In this one only you can see, while a transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify, like setting the amplify, the switch electronic, it will switch the electronic signals. Okay, it will switch like how much a collector needs, that much only it will give, and the remaining will be switched to the other circuit, and it will be grounded without any problems. Okay, so the next one is motors. We have different kinds of motors, so we will be starting with the vibration motor. So can anyone tell where we can see the vibration motor?
In gaming game pads, in most of the game pads,
In
we'll see
gate
them.
path and
In game pads, what is game pads like? Can you tell me?
gate
PS4
gate
console,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
PS4 console like that.
and okay, in PS4s and
In phones also, sir, means if we
yes,
keep in vibration mode,
yeah. See the upper one. This one contains just what Anurag told, like in PS4 or else in any big size of electronic devices. This kind of motors will be used. Okay, and the down one, small motors. This kind of motors will be used in mobile phones. Okay, nowadays this vibration motor contains a lot of things like haptic feedback. Everyone needs. If you are holding that one, it has to give some vibration so that you'll get like a good thing about the mobile phone. While you are texting also, you'll be getting some vibration, right? while you are clicking some alphabets like texting, you will be getting some vibration. It will not disturb others. It will just know to your hands. That's it. Okay. So there have to be a different kinds of vibration motors. It should not only give the high vibration, it have to give the low vibration also. That can be easily notified by our hands without disturbing anyone. Okay.
Okay.
So this kind of different types of motors. In this one, vibration motor will be there, and the next one is DC motor, and the last one is servo motor. Okay, DC motor. I think everyone knows what is a DC motor, right? In remote
Yes.
control cars and most of the motors, like wherever the motor has been used, mostly the DC motor only will be used in that one. Okay, if you use positive terminal reversely, the motor will be rotating in reverse direction. If you use the positive and negative correctly, the motor will be moving the right direction. Okay, so there is no much thing about this one. So I am just telling simply about this one. Okay, and inside of this motor will be having magnetic coils. So the electricity passing from the positive and the negative, which will take the positive and it will use it magnets to rotate the this one head. That's why it will rotate. Okay, that magnets will push
Yes, sir.
from one
Okay.
direction to another direction. So inside copper wire and magnets will be there, which will be rotating when it connects to the electricity, and it will rotate here. Okay, and the last one is servo motor. This is servo motor, and why we will be using servo motor? Why can't we use DC motor? Means nothing about this one. Arya can tell, right? Arya, just tell me why you have used a servo motor in the automatic dustbin. Why you didn't
This
use
motor,
DC motor?
this motor, wait, sir, this motor rotates only 180 degrees, not 360 degrees.
Yes, not 360 degrees, and also it can rotate a perfect
Nine.
angle. Like how much
Yes.
we need, that much
Sir,
we can rotate that one and stop.
sir,
Yes, yes, tell me. Tell
sir, Bhanu Prasad is there in robotics class. He's asking that he's not getting it.
Actually, the class
Sir,
is going to complete in 10
sir,
minutes now.
I will.
Can you just text him now?
Sir,
Sir,
he's
I will
there
take.
in the class. Means,
He already there in the group, right? Why can't he join by using that link? Everyone have joined.
yes, sir.
Okay.
He's telling that I'm
So
not able to be joined.
I didn't get any notification like for asking someone to join. Okay, we'll see if he joins. I'll get a notification, then I'll accept that one. So servo motor. Why Aja have used this servo motor in the dustbin means just take an example of this one. Okay, just take an example of DC motor. How a DC motor can be used by switching on the motor and off the motor, right? While we switch on and off, it can rotate more. Like we need only 180 degrees to rotate, but on and offing means it may rotate more than 180 degrees. So there will be a problem. But servo motor, we can control that one. Like if I want only 45 degrees to rotate, we can make that one to rotate exactly 45 degrees and stop. Okay. If you want that one to rotate 50 or 60 degrees, we can make that one exact 60 degrees to rotate and stop. And that speed and that angle we can't control in DC motor. That's why we will be using servo motor. Okay, so these are the things
Okay.
about the different types of components. So
Sir, I shared the link for Banu.
actually the class is already going to complete. If he joins now, I can't repeat that one, right? So we will go to the first slide, and what we have covered we'll see. Okay, in this one, resistor is completed, LED is completed, push button is also completed, potentiometer done, capacitor done, slide switch, battery, photoresistor, transistor, vibration motor, DC motor, and servo motor. Okay, till servo motor, everything is completed, right? Only remaining things are Arduino and
Yes, sir.
ultrasonic sensor, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if someone have any
Okay.
doubt, except Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, just you can ask me now. Okay, I will
Sir,
clarify
this year we'll work with Arduino, sir.
what
This year we are going to work with Arduino, sir.
the same way. I didn't get you. What you're telling?
Means in this year we will not work with Lego, sir. We will work with Arduino, sir.
Actually, it's not like that. We will be working on the both Lego and Arduino also. Like we can't do only one thing, right? Ac-
Yes.
So we will be trying to get Arduino also, but because of this problem, it may delay for some time. So and we
Okay,
have
sir.
to
We'll
Sir,
see
bring our own
also.
boards. We are having, so means we'll
sir,
bring our own.
If that's the case, we'll see in the back. Like if everyone can buy, we will see. If they can't buy, we will go to the virtual only. It will be better for doing this one, right?
Sir, in home only
sir, for
base, sir.
competition is there, sir. I can.
Yes, sir. Competition is there this
Okay,
year.
I'll tell you something. There is a doubt that the school will open or not, right? In this case, will they conduct any competition? Actually,
No.
There is no chance of
we didn't
conducting
got,
the
yeah,
competition.
actually we didn't got a permission for conducting also. I think in news you have seen this one. There have to be no extra fees remaining, like you have to collect only fees. Tuition fees only you have to collect. The school have got that restrictions, right? So robotics is an extra subject which should not be mandatory for everyone, right? So in this case, we can't conduct this one to everyone and tell them to join our class, join our class. If there is a problem, we will be just kicked out of the school. That's why we have called you personally to your parents and we asked your permission. Like, if you're interested, you can join. And now also, you know the strength, how much we got? 80 members, 80, totally from the 6th to 10th class. Okay,
Oh,
in these 80 members,
Yes, sir.
like how many will join at the last, I don't know. Like in only, just check in this one only. We have only 20 members, right? Now I can see only 12 members present. Some of the people they will give the names, but they will not show interest to join. They didn't
yes, sir.
like they can't show the interest now only. Then why they will show the interest of when we have started in the school?
Sir, I am Pakka. I will join, sir.
So we'll be having a lot of problems. So we have to first check. So I have started the class. It may depend. For this permission only, it took a lot of time. I have gone to schools a lot of times.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
like nearly 4 to 5 times I went to the school to meet sister and take the permission. Okay, so I don't think so. This will be continuing this year. We have to see. It depends on us. Like the interested people are becoming more, and if their parents are willing to pay the extra fees, then it may continue. And the parents are not willing to pay, and the strength is very less, means we can't continue for this year, right? So about that one, we have to see.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
until then, we will be teaching you, so you can start with the basics and you can try on your own. So if there is any
Yes,
information, we
sir.
will let you know, and if there are any changes, also we'll let you know.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so I'll
sir.
just take the attendance now. I
Yes,
think
sir.
someone left now. The only 11 people are there. So in the next class, we will be learning what is Arduino and like how it will be like, what are the ports it contains, and why we'll be using different kinds of ports. And about ultrasonic sensor also
Yes,
we will be
sir.
learning. And in that class, we will be starting circuiting also. Like from simple
Okay,
circuiting,
sir.
we will start.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Until then, if anyone wants to try, you can note this website, Tinkercad,
Yes, sir.
TinkerCAD. Okay, Tinkercad. If anyone wants to try, I'm just telling you this number. You can directly don't start the class or else join the class. Click on the start tinkering one. I'll open this one and I'll show you. It will be easy for you to understand that. Okay, Tinkercad. So you will be getting this website. This one. Actually, because this one I have logged in, it is showing like this. Okay, if you have not logged in, it will be showing in a different way. So here you have to use this circuits, and you can try circuits here. Okay, now I'm opening that one.
Sir, servo motor.
Servo motor, what servo motor?
You mentioned the last year's servo motor.
I didn't get you.
EV3, sir.
Sir, can we leave the
I
class?
will talk about that one afterwards. Ananta, just wait. Okay, so these are the contents what we have here. So if you want to try something, like don't use any Arduino, just try this simple circuit. Okay, so you can try that one on your own.
Yes, sir.
Just wait a minute, I'll take the attendance. Okay, first Blessing Satvik.
Present, sir.
Anup Prasad, he's absent, right? Jayavardhan.
Yes.
He's not getting it.
Jayavardhan.
Sir,
Absent, sir.
sir, he attended the class and left, sir.
Who Jayavardhan?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Starting he have come and he left again.
When he left, like in the middle, or else at the last, or else in the first one?
Starting teacher. Sir, starting.
Yes,
Starting
only.
itself,
Just
sir.
10 minutes, sir. 10 minutes he saw and he went off.
Then I don't want him in my class again.
Sir,
Mukunda?
because his brother is writing exam exams, sir. That's why he left off.
Okay, I can't do anything about that one, right? He can use mobile phone and join. It's not a problem. That's why I'm recording everything. So I will be placing this one in the YouTube if you want for reference or else